everyone, and good morning. Or afternoon. To be honest, I don't know what time it is. I need more coffee.
Good morning, Sam. Wow, you sound sleepy today. Did you stay up late last night?
I did. I am definitely a night owl. A night owl is someone who has energy at night but hates the morning. What about you, Lita?
Oh, I am the opposite. I am an early bird. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day without an alarm.
Without an alarm? That sounds like a superpower or a nightmare. When my alarm goes off, beep, beep, I hit the snooze button.
The snooze button, that magical button that gives you 9 more minutes of sleep. Do you hit it once or many times?
Many times. It's a battle. Me versus the clock. Usually I hit snooze 3 times, so I actually get up at 8 a.m.
Vocabulary check. There is a difference between wake up and get up.
Exactly. Wake up is when you open your eyes. Get up is when your feet touch the floor. For me, there's a long time between those two things.
So after you finally get up, what is the first thing you do? Do you check your phone?
I try not to. They say it's a bad habit. If you check social media immediately, you start the day with stress. But sometimes I cheat. I look at Instagram for 5 minutes.
I understand, it's tempting. But my first step is water, a big glass of water. Hydration is key. Your body is thirsty after sleeping for 8 hours.
That is very healthy, Lita. My first step is the coffee machine. I press the button and I wait for the liquid energy. I cannot speak to humans before my first cup of coffee.
I know the feeling. The smell of coffee is the best smell in the world. But Sam, do you eat breakfast?
This is a controversial topic. Some people say breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Others skip it.
I cannot function without breakfast. I usually have oatmeal with some fruit. It gives me energy for the morning, fuel for the brain.
I usually skip it. I do intermittent fasting. I only eat at 12 p.m., so just black coffee for me. It saves time, too.
Saving time is important. Mornings are always a rush. Do you prepare your clothes the night before?
I should do that, but I don't. So every morning I stand in front of my closet and think, I have nothing to wear.
Every human has that problem. A closet full of clothes, but nothing to wear.
So I usually grab the first clean t-shirt I see. I like to keep it simple, like Steve Jobs, same outfit every day. It reduces decision fatigue.
Decision fatigue. That means getting tired of making choices. That's smart. I spend 20 minutes choosing my outfit. Maybe that's why I'm sometimes late.
Lita, what about the shower? Are you a morning shower person or a night shower person?
Oh, morning shower, definitely. It wakes me up, and I wash my hair, I feel fresh.
Me too. But have you tried cold showers?
No, absolutely not. Why would I punish myself?
It is a trend now. They say it boosts your immune system. You turn the water to cold for the last 30 seconds.
Does it work? Do you do it?
I tried it once. I screamed. It was terrible. I prefer warm water. I want to be cozy, not frozen.
Exactly. Life is hard enough. Let me have my warm water. Sam, do you make your bed?
Yes, this is one habit I actually have. There's a famous speech by a Navy admiral. He says, if you want to change the world, start by making your bed.
I saw that video. It's inspiring. It means you accomplished the first task of the day. It gives you a small sense of pride.
And when you come home tired at night, it's nice to see a clean bed. It's a gift to your future self.
That is a nice way to look at it. My bed is usually a mess. Maybe I should start doing that.
It takes 2 minutes, Lita. Just do it.
Okay, you convinced me. Sam, do you exercise in the morning?
Exercise in the morning? Are you joking?
Some people go to the gym at 5 a.m. They run, they lift weights.
Those people are aliens. I barely have the energy to lift my coffee cup. I prefer to exercise in the evening, after work. My body is too stiff in the morning.
Stiff. That means your muscles are tight and hard to move. I like doing a little bit of yoga, just 10 minutes, stretching.
Stretching is good. It helps the blood flow. Maybe I should try that. Touch my toes, or try to touch my knees.
Baby steps, Sam, baby steps. What about meditation or journaling?
I tried meditation. I sat down, I closed my eyes, I focused on my breathing, and then I fell asleep.
You fell asleep?
Yes, it was too relaxing. I woke up 20 minutes later, so meditation is dangerous for me in the morning.
Maybe you should sit on a hard chair, not the sofa.
Good point. Lita, how do you get to work, the commute?
I take the bus. It takes about 30 minutes. I use that time to listen to podcasts or read a book.
That is productive. I drive, so I listen to the radio, but the traffic, the traffic, it ruins my zen.
Traffic is stressful. Road rage, getting angry at other drivers.
I try to stay calm. I listen to audiobooks. It transforms the car into a university on wheels.
That is a great perspective. Turn dead time into learning time.
Exactly. But sometimes, if I am late, I eat my breakfast in the car. It's messy. Driving with a banana in one hand, not safe.
Please drive safely, Sam. Eating and driving is a skill.
So, Sam, you survive the traffic, you arrive at the office, you sit at your desk. What is the first thing you do?
I stare at the wall for 5 minutes. Just kidding. I check my emails. It is a never-ending mountain of emails.
Do you make a to-do list? A list of tasks you need to finish today?
Sometimes I write things on a piece of paper, but then I lose the paper, so it is not very effective.
Sam, you need a system. I write my list the night before, and I put the most difficult task at the top.
Ah, there's a famous concept for that. Eat the frog.
Eat the frog? That sounds disgusting. Why would I eat a frog in the morning?
It's a metaphor. It means do the hardest, most annoying thing first. If you eat a frog in the morning, the rest of the day will be easy.
I see. So if I hate making phone calls, I should make the phone calls first.
Exactly. Don't procrastinate. Procrastinate means to wait and do it later because you were lazy or scared.
I am the queen of procrastination. I say, I'll do it in 5 minutes, and suddenly it's 5 p.m.
We are all guilty of that. But Lita, does your routine change on the weekend? Saturday and Sunday?
Oh, completely. On weekends, I sleep in.
Sleep in. Vocabulary alert. Sleep in means to sleep later than usual, not waking up at 6 a.m.
Yes, I sleep until 9 or 10. It feels like luxury. And I make a big breakfast. Pancakes, eggs, brunch.
Brunch. Breakfast plus lunch. The best meal invented by humans. I love going to a cafe for brunch on Sundays.
It's nice to be slow. No rushing, no alarm clock, just relaxing.
But sometimes if I sleep too much, I get a headache. Oversleeping.
Yes, if you sleep 12 hours, you feel groggy. Groggy means tired and confused. You don't know what year it is.
Lita, do you know the phrase, to wake up on the wrong side of the bed?
Yes, we use that when someone is grumpy or angry in the morning for no reason.
Why is Sam shouting at the coffee machine? Oh, don't worry, he just woke up on the wrong side of the bed.
And the opposite is rise and shine.
My mom used to say that. She would open my curtains and shout, "Rise and shine, Sammy!" It was so annoying. I wanted to stay in the dark.
Moms are good at that. There's another famous saying, the early bird catches the worm.
It means if you wake up early, you will be successful. You will get the best opportunities.
But I heard a funny response to that. The early bird catches the worm, but the second mouse gets the cheese.
That is true. The first mouse gets caught in the trap. So maybe it's better to be late sometimes.
You're just making excuses for being lazy, Sam.
Maybe. But really, consistency is key. Even if your routine is simple, just do the same thing every day. Your body likes patterns.
I agree. It reduces stress. If you know exactly where your keys are and where your shoes are, you don't panic.
Speaking of panic, have you ever been running late?
Ugh, the worst feeling. You wake up, look at the clock, and realize the alarm didn't go off.
Your heart stops. You jump out of bed. You put your pants backwards. You brush your teeth in 10 seconds.
And you run to the bus stop and see the bus leaving without you.
That's the start of a bad day. When the morning goes wrong, everything goes wrong.
That's why the routine is important. It protects you from chaos.
Lita, do you have a specific morning playlist, music you listen to?
Yes, I like upbeat, happy songs, pop music. It gives me energy to dance while I brush my teeth.
I listen to the news. I want to know what's happening in the world. But sometimes the news is depressing. Maybe I should switch to music.
Try it. Start the day with a smile, not a frown.
Okay, listeners, we have a challenge for you. Tomorrow morning, try to do one new thing.
Drink a glass of water first, or make your bed, or don't check your phone for 10 minutes.
Just one small change, and see how you feel.
And tell us in the comments, are you an early bird or a night owl?
I think most of our listeners are night owls like me. The cool people stay awake at night.
Hey, early birds are cool too. We get the worms.
Enjoy your worms, Lita. I will enjoy my coffee.
Thank you for listening to English Unscripted. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening.
Rise and shine, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Bye.